Namaste. My name is Kabita Shom. I am an MA in English Language Teaching under Guwahati University. I have been working as an assistant teacher in Jolokiaburi LPEGS School since 2017 under Lahorighat Education Block. I represent Morigao district of Assam, where nature seems to flourish every corners of the villages. It is bounded by the Nagaon district on the east, the Kamrup district on the west, the mighty Brahmaputra river on the north, and Karbi Anglong on the south. Morigao has a rich history and a place of cultural heritage as it is a homeland of various tribes, castes, communities, and creeds. There are many famous places to be visited over here. One of them is the Pobitora Wildlife Sanctuary, which is famous for the one-horned rhinos and also a home to various migratory birds and other animals as well. Another famous place is the Sita Jokhala temple, where there are many statues of Goddess Sita and Lord Hanuman. It is believed that Maharshi Valmiki had cut the stones to be used as steps for Sita to go to the river. Another place is the Deokhal Shiv Mandir, where the Mahashivratri is celebrated every year with great enthusiasm. Along with this, there is a famous waterfall in the Amsoy Hills named as Shivakunda, which is also popular as one of the famous picnic spots of Assam. Even Asia's largest dry fish market is located at Jagi Road in Morigao. Even an annual traditional fair named as Junbil Mela is organized by the Tiwa community of Assam every year in Morigao. It is more popular because the ancient barter system is seen to be still prevalent here. The name of my school, as I have already mentioned, is Jolokiaburi New LP or Jolokiaburi LPEGS, that is under Education Guarantee Scheme. The people residing in this village had set up the school by providing a plot of land and utilizing their resources by themselves. Later on, it was recognized by the government to be declared as a government school. The strength of our school is that it is surrounded by the scenic beauty of nature. Also, the president of the school managing committee is very active in providing his cooperation towards any activity. The weaknesses are, as our school is an EGS school, so we are pretty lagging behind in terms of infrastructural development. We do not have electricity and enough classrooms to conduct the classes. Moreover, the communication facility to the school is not pretty good and it worsens especially during the monsoon season. Our school has all total 5 teachers and 146 students. The Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiatives, that is ZIIEI, is a nationwide education transformation program which has been providing a great help to the teachers by providing zero-cost creative and unique ideas in the teaching learning process. The Innovative Pathshala, which is a part of ZIIEI, is a truly interesting and practical guide for us as it deals with a lot of teaching ideas, activities, games, and so on. The training program which we are undergoing is really amazing. The online meets which are conducted is really interesting and amazing because we are interacting with each other, making the sessions very lively. We are very fortunate to have Rohit Bora sir as our trainer who not only guides us what to do and what not to do, but is also a very good listener. Whatever problems I had before or while conducting the activities. I had discussed this with Sir, and he has always been very motivating, and he has extended his support to each and everything, and due to him I have been able to conduct my activities in a systematic manner. The ZIIEI and Innovative Pathshala both has helped me personally to boost up my confidence level, and also has allowed me to use my ideas in implementing the classroom activities to teach any and every concept. My students like the activities very much, and this helped them to remember the concepts very well. The activities which they like the most are the grid games. Yes, they like to go through the games by going through the options, they give the answers, and finally, after the response is over, when they get to know the stars as the result, they find it very interesting. I would like to suggest our school to be the role model school, because if we get the opportunity, we would try our best to extend our full cooperation whenever and wherever required. Although our school has some issues, still, if we get the opportunity, we would definitely try to do our best. To end with, a big thanks to Sri Aurobindo Society, ZIIEI and HDFC Bank for providing me such a wonderful opportunity to be a part of this nationwide education program. Please do like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.